bath time? Or do you want to eat first? Say dinner, then bath. Hey y'all, good morning. So today is Saturday, it's the 15th, and I'm on my way to Sam's Club right now. I'm going to tackle Sam's Club and Aldi, and then I also want to stop at Dollar General, because you know Dollar General will be having the 5 off 25 on Saturdays, and I'm just gonna get some cleaning supplies from there, because today I'm deep cleaning and grocery shopping, clearly. I did start the vlog last night doing a little picking up and stuff. I'm tackling all this stuff solo this morning because I feel like it would just go a lot faster if I go by myself instead of like taking Aaliyah and me and Kevin going with her and stuff, because she tends to get restless in the store, usually because we happen to be there closer to her nap time and stuff, which this morning it's a good idea for me to go solo because she woke up super early this morning, so she's actually napping at the moment because she's very tired. Like, she woke up early and just been fussing the whole time because she's still sleepy. So we did breakfast. She didn't finish, which I figured she wouldn't, but you know, I gave her some food and fed her and everything, and she went back down for a nap, so she has the rest of her food for when she wakes up and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna try to make this quick. And another reason why I'm doing this solo also is because Kevin has to leave the house by noon. He has a wrestling show today. He's already gonna be doing all that stuff to try and get himself in order to head out. I figured I would just go do this. It would be quicker, and then I could come back home in good time for him to get the stuff out the car and everything like that. So it just made sense. But yeah, I'm trying to go to the store, and it's possible that I may not need to go to Aldi. This may just be like a Sam's Club trip, but I'll have to see when I get there, because you know, sometimes I think that I'm just gonna go to one store, and then when I get there it's like they don't have all the things that I'm looking for, or they may have something that I feel like I don't necessarily want in like a bulk or whatever the case is. So yeah, plus I also need to get some cash, so I might try to see if I can get cash back from the store, or if anything I'll just stop at an ATM. But that's pretty much it. I'm checking in with y'all. I don't know how I forgot to charge my camera, but it's only on 12%, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to vlog while I'm out and about on my Hey y'all, I have not talked to you guys in days, okay? And my hair looks crazy because it's blow dried, and this is all my postpartum postpartum shedding, regrowth, whatever, because all my hair had fallen out. Well, not all my hair. Honestly, a lot of people couldn't tell I had postpartum hair loss, but I could. But anyways, this is how it looks. It's growing back in, and it's a completely different texture from the rest of my hair. And it's bad enough that my hair, well, I should say not, whatever. The point is my hair already has two textures going on because the ends of my hair, you know, obviously I've been heat styling heavy, or at least I was, so the curls there are like very much stretched, very much giving heat damage, and then the top is like, ooh, fresh curls, like, yeah, my real curl pattern. And then this new growth that's coming in, I don't know what this texture is, never seen her, never heard of her, never dealt with her, and so I'd be fine for my life, okay? But yeah, I'm just gonna ignore that. So I want to put mini twists in my hair, but honestly I don't want to start them because I just don't think I'm gonna finish them if I start them today, because it's already about to be 1 o'clock and I'm going out today. So I don't think I'm gonna do that, okay? Right now I just set some stuff up outside for the girls to paint when they wake up from their naps. I showed you guys that. So yeah, I ran to Target this morning and got like some washable paint and little canvases and whatever, because it's just an activity to do where they're not necessarily in the house, but also we didn't leave the house, you know what I mean? And it's outdoors, so it's fun. I was gonna get them the inflatable one. If you guys follow Jalissa on Instagram, she posted it, and it's only $30 at Target, and I think it's a genius idea. It's like an inflatable canvas, but I don't have the pump with me right now. We left it at my parents' house for Aaliyah's pool, so I was like, yeah, it doesn't make sense for me to get that if I'm not gonna be able to blow it up. So once I get the pump, I will go back and get that thing, because I feel like that's a good idea for an outdoor activity. But nevertheless, so they're gonna do that when they wake up, and that's pretty much what we're gonna do for our afternoon activity. I'm gonna let them have lunch after they get done painting and all the things, or maybe they'll have lunch before, because I feel like they're gonna be starving when they wake up. We'll see, because they both kind of just played with their breakfast. But anyways, that's pretty much it. I do want to unpack my makeup. Y'all, my makeup is still in boxes. Like, my skincare is unpacked and all my shoes are put away, my clothes, whatever, but all of my makeup is still in boxes with tape on them and everything. Like, nothing's been touched since I packed it all up to move here, and it's been almost a month. I don't even know. Oh, I was vlogging yesterday and I was doing a little bit of cleaning up, and I'm actually gonna continue that today. But right now it is about to be 10 o'clock. I feel like I have a call scheduled for 10:30 this morning. I need to double check that. Let me see, what day is it? I don't even have it on my calendar. Child, what? Let me see, where is, okay, let me see. Monday, yep, I do have a call for 10:30 this morning, so I think it's gonna interrupt this process. But basically, I'm getting ready to film some content. Well, I'm getting ready in the content. I want to do some TikTok videos this morning, so I want to do a get ready with me. And honestly, I think I'm gonna do 2 videos. I was gonna do like a chit chat style get ready with me with like things I've learned, blah blah blah, but I think I want to do my get ready with me separate and then film that TikTok separate, so then I have 2 videos. Like, you know, I feel like that's just the smarter option of the 2, just so that I have like more than one things I can upload and whatever. And I may upload it to YouTube too. Well, the get ready with me, that is, not the other one. But yeah, and then when I'm all done and I'm gonna take the makeup off, I'm also gonna record that because I need to do some content for that as well. But yeah, I'm so excited to be filming myself doing my makeup. I haven't done my makeup in so long, besides Friday night when I went out, but before that my makeup was still in boxes, and it's been almost a month. So yeah, I'm just so happy. And then the lighting right now is just so good that it's making me so excited. Which is crazy because this is natural lighting, and I haven't done my makeup, well, let me not say I haven't done my makeup, but I haven't recorded with this great of natural lighting in a long time, so that's pretty nice. But yeah, that's on the agenda. I just want to film, like, I'll say 3 videos. 2 of them are for TikTok, one's for Instagram, but I may still post it on TikTok. And then I also could do like an unboxing because I've gotten a few packages in, so I could do that as well. So that could be 4 low key, you know. But that one I don't necessarily have to rush to film it or whatever. I can film that any time of the day. So yeah, that's what's on the agenda for today. Just to film those videos, get some editing done. I might take Aaliyah to her gymnastics class today. Technically her class is on Wednesday, but we can go to like up to 3 classes for the week. So I may take her today if they have room in the bonus class. It's at 12:15. So we'll just have to see how her nap goes because she is tired. She woke up super early this morning. So I don't really know if she's gonna be sleeping around that time, which is why I haven't called them, because I don't want to tell them, oh yeah, we're coming, and then we don't show up. So I may have to wait till closer to the time. That's it. I'm just checking in with y'all. I made sure you guys did the packages too, or if I end up filming the short form content, I will just go ahead and insert that video so y'all can see what's tea. But I'm also on the hunt for like the perfect makeup vanity, because right now I'm just using like a desk situation, and then I have makeup in that like drawer thing over there. But I do want to get a makeup vanity. You know what's crazy? I have a whole IKEA system at my parents' house. Like, I remember I treated myself to that for my birthday years ago, and I never took it with me, so it's literally still there. But yeah, I'll move it one day, and I don't even know if when I move it I'm gonna keep it for myself or just try to sell it. But when the time comes, we'll figure that out. So I'll talk to y'all later.